If you're thinking about using Freedcamp for your construction management needs, there are a few things you need to know before making the decision. In this video, we'll cover 12 essential points that could help you decide if it's the right choice for you or if you should consider other options. First off, Freedcamp is known for being a highly affordable project management tool, but when it comes to church management, it may not have the same level of specialized features as competitors like Planning Center or Breeze. So, if you're looking for something tailored specifically to church needs, Freedcamp might not be the most intuitive. Next thing to consider, Freedcamp offers a variety of features like task management, calendar scheduling, and communication tools, but these are more generalized project management features rather than features designed with churches in mind. Competitors like Planning Center and Church Community Builder tend to have more advanced features that focus on managing services, events, donations, and member directories. The third thing to note is the interface. Freedcamp has a clean and user-friendly interface for project management, but it may take some time to customize it to fit the specific needs of your church. It's not as plug-and-play as church-specific software, so expect a learning curve if you're switching from something more specialized. The fourth thing is integrations. While Freedcamp does integrate with apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, it doesn't have as many native integrations with church-related tools like giving platforms, church websites, or ministry management apps. This could mean more work on your part to get everything connected smoothly. The fifth point is mobile access. Freedcamp offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, which is great for managing tasks on the go. However, compared to church-focused apps like ChurchTrack, the mobile experience on Freedcamp might not be as polished for church activities like sermon notes, member check-ins, or prayer requests. Next, Freedcamp's task and project management features are strong. You can easily assign tasks, track progress, and set deadlines. However, other platforms specifically designed for churches like Breeze or Planning Center offer more advanced task automation that's designed to handle things like volunteer scheduling or tracking attendance. The seventh point is cost. Freedcamp is more affordable than many church management software options. The free version is useful, and the premium version is cheaper than other solutions like Planning Center. But if you're looking for dedicated church management features, you may find that spending a little more gets you a much more tailored solution. Next up, customer support. Freedcamp offers a solid knowledge base and email support, but it lacks live chat or phone support, which many church management tools offer. So, if you're looking for quick responses, you might be disappointed with Freedcamp's support options. The ninth thing to keep in mind is event management. While Freedcamp has basic event features, it doesn't offer specialized tools for things like event registration, ticketing, or church-wide calendar syncing that you'll find in church-specific platforms like Planning Center or Breeze. Another thing is volunteer management. Freedcamp has a basic system for assigning tasks to team members, but it doesn't have the volunteer scheduling and tracking features that church management software typically offers. If that's something important to your church, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, Freedcamp does a decent job with communication tools, including message boards and email notifications. However, it lacks some of the more specialized features for church communication, like texting or church-wide email blasts, which are available with tools like ChurchTrack. The 12th thing you need to know is data security. Freedcamp provides SSL encryption and regular backups, which is essential for keeping sensitive information safe, but it doesn't have as many advanced security measures as church-focused platforms, which may offer more robust options for protecting member data. So, is Freedcamp a good choice for church management? It's certainly an affordable and solid tool for managing tasks and projects, but it lacks the specialized features you'll find in software made specifically for churches. If you want a better option with more church-specific tools, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.